You're about to discover the 4 best Spanish conversations that every Latino loves to talk about. If you want to practice your Spanish with native speakers, but you're not sure what it takes to keep your Latino or Latina conversation partner interested, just pick a topic from this list and I, teacher Juan from Spring Spanish, promise you'll get all the Spanish conversation practice you will need. I'll also reveal some topics you should avoid unless you're very close to your conversation partner, so you don't end up on a tight spot. Want to know what these topics are? Then acompáñame. El clima. Great topic both for beginners and to start a casual conversation. Actually, this is a really practical conversation topic for you because you probably want to ask a few questions about what sort of weather you can expect for today in your new Latin location. That will help you know if you need to use protector solar o un paraguas. Now, some questions you can ask to start talking about the weather. ¿Cómo está el clima hoy? Hace mucho calor. Entonces debería salir con un abrigo, paraguas, sombrero. Sí, me parece buena idea. Qué frío hace hoy, ¿no? Sí, debería salir preparado. Deportes. Latinos love to talk about sports. For most of Latin America, this means knowing your facts about soccer. But there are some Caribbean countries like República Dominicana or Venezuela where baseball is more popular. Now, be aware that this can be a very important topic for some of us, sometimes even more than politics or religion, so be careful and try to read the room unless you want to end up con un pelotazo en la cabeza. Hey, ¿y qué te pareció el partido de hoy? Muy bien. Mi equipo jugó como nunca. ¿Cuál es tu equipo favorito? Mi equipo favorito es la Vinotinto. ¿Y cómo le va a tu equipo esta temporada? Ah, sí. Qué bueno que preguntas. A la Vinotinto le va muy bien. En el medio Junior Moreno es el 5º posicional y ya... Lugares para visitar. This topic is a great way to learn about the local environment, interesting locations, and nice tips from the local on things to do or places to go while practicing your conversational skills. Dos pájaros de un tiro. Let's see some questions you can ask. ¿Qué lugares interesantes hay cerca para visitar? Bueno, por acá puedes tomar un bondi y llegar a los bosques de Palermo. ¿Cuáles son las partes más lindas de esta ciudad? Hay varios lugares. El Congreso, la Casa Rosada y la Costanera. Vale la pena visitarlos. ¿Qué me recomiendas visitar mientras estoy aquí? Te recomiendo visitar el barrio chino. Hay tiendas muy exóticas y muy buenos restaurantes. By the way, for more Spanish chunks that'll help you speak Spanish on your travels, make sure to download our free Essential Spanish Travel Chunks cheat sheet. I've left the link in the description. Planes para el fin de semana. So, the week is over, you checked out of your office y se viene el fin de papá. This means fun, relaxing, or resting plans. So, it's a topic you can always talk about or even propose a plan and get to practice some of the following chunks. ¿Tienes planes el fin de semana? Este fin de quiero ir a la playa. ¿Te gustaría salir conmigo en bici este finde? Sí, me encantaría. Chunk alert! We Latinos love to shorten our sentences. So you'll find we say stuff like finde a lot, which is our short version of fin de semana. There is no expression like that in English, so just learn it by heart. And if you want to sound cool with your Latino friends, use el finde instead of el fin de semana. 100% guaranteed it works. Bonus tip: topics to avoid in Spanish. As in other languages and cultures, there are some topics you're better avoiding until you really know about them and your Spanish is good enough that there's no room for misunderstanding, because Panita, los latinos podemos ser bien complicados when it comes to arguments or heated discussions. So, you'll thank me the most for this one. ¿Podríamos cambiar el tema, por favor? So, even though Latinos are mostly friendly and open, since Christopher Columbus arrived, we've had our share of tragedy, loss, failed revolutions, and international conflicts here in Latin America. So, in general, we're easily offended by some political, cultural, and religion takes or opinions from foreigners. Here are some lifesaver chunks you can use to get out of such a conversations if things go south. No me gusta hablar de política. No sé mucho de religión, así que no podría opinar. Respeto tu postura, pero no quiero hablar del tema. So, choosing one of these topics is your first step to interesting conversations in Spanish. The next step, keeping the conversation going after you brought up the topic to avoid awkward silences. And for that, you need good questions, like the following 10 mesmerizing questions that will make every Latino excited to speak with you. Just click the image on the screen to discover the first one. So, I'll see you there. Adios.